Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and I hope you guys are staying safe. Thank you so much for tuning in and for being a part of this family. You guys are absolutely amazing. To all my OGs, I want to say thank you and I want to say welcome back. And if you're new here, I want to say a big shout out to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be a part of this family. I'd also like to say apologies for not being here as consistently as I've been normally in the past. Life has been lifing, but in 2025 I do have plans to be here back and better. Now, speaking of 2025, it is the 1st of December, so allow me to say a very big Merry Christmas to you and yours in advance. In about 24 days it will be Christmas. I absolutely love Christmas and I'm sure this video is literally just perfect for the Christmas seasons. From the title you can already tell that I will be sharing a couple of gift ideas that you can make from the comfort of your home, and hopefully they don't cost you too much money, right? So these gift ideas, I feel like they would be perfect because they're absolutely made with love. When you make stuff yourself, I feel like the love that goes into it, the attention to detail, the level of love that you actually just pour into that project is absolutely amazing. And I think that's what makes a perfect gift. I feel like everyone that you gift it to will be absolutely amazed. So if you're interested in hearing more, you definitely want to keep watching. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. So I've got about 5 suggestions that you can make from the comfort of your home. They're inexpensive to make and they don't take too much time. And trust me, whoever you give them to would absolutely love them. They make for fantastic gifts. And of course, they will be made with love. So I do believe that your loved ones will cherish them. So number 5, I have headbands. And you guys already know I have about 3 videos showing you guys how to make different types of headbands. One of them is a statement headband. It's really big, is, you know, notice me kind of headband, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And then I've also got like 2 other, like, you know, not as obvious headbands, but they're so pretty and very functional, very demure, right? So if you're looking to make, you know, a gift for any of your female friends or to make a gift for like a girl child, headbands are always a great idea. They're very useful for everyone. And like I said, they're really quick projects that you can make from the comfort of your home. The fact that you've made them with love is what makes them even more spectacular. So if you haven't seen the videos, click on the links in the description box as well as in the iCards and go ahead and watch these videos and get sewing. I will try to put pictures of the headbands on the screen as well for you guys, so you guys can choose which one you want and then get sewing. The next item I have on my list will be a pair of oven mittens and apron. So if you're making a gift for someone who loves to cook, oven mittens are always a great idea. I don't have any tutorial on how to make oven mittens, but they are very easy to make, and I'm going to be linking a video for you guys to learn how to make it from someone else who's put a tutorial up. Oven mittens and aprons are a very great idea, especially when you do like a matching set and you put a nice bow and give it to the person. I am sure the person's going to appreciate it, and when they're cooking all the, you know, Christmas turkey and they're baking all the, you know, cake for Christmas, they're going to be thinking of you and they're going to be so grateful that you've gifted them that very thoughtful gift. Now the next thing I have will be quilted blankets. So of course, when you're making quilted blankets, it might seem like it's difficult to make, but one thing I found is that it's actually quite easy to make. You only need about 5 items. You need quilting thread, you need a sewing machine, of course, you need fabric for the bottom layer, you need batten fabric for the middle of it, and of course you need fabric for the top. Now, fabric for the top, don't be alarmed. I always recommend that you put a personal touch on it, and I recommend that you use your scrap fabric. So please don't throw away that bag of scrap fabric that I know that you have, because we both know that you have a bag of scrap fabric. So don't throw it away. Get your fabric, cut it in smaller pieces, make sure the pieces match. Look for like fabric pieces that match, whether you want to use like African print fabric or whatever you want to use, and then sew all of that together and make a quilted blanket. Fold it up, wrap it with love, and send it to one of your loved ones. They will be so thankful, and when they're lying down watching Christmas movies and sipping a glass of wine, they will be thinking about you. The next thing that I have on my list would be a throw pillow. So you guys already know I like to make my throw pillows from scratch. I never buy throw pillows in the store. I would get like my fiber to put in my pillow, I will buy that. I will buy like some calico fabric rather, to use for my pillow, you know, casing. And then of course I will get nice fabric that I'm going to use for like the pillowcase cover, right? So I really love to make my throw pillow. I've got a couple of videos showing you guys how to make that, so I'm going to link it in the iCards above and in the description box below. Please go ahead and check it out, watch the videos. They are very educative, very easy to make, and when you gift that to somebody, when you gift it to somebody, they make for amazing gifts, and the person will know that it was made with love. Last but not least, I've also got a tote bag. So you guys know I love a good tote bag. If you live in London, is a tote bag not part of the aesthetics? Okay, don't come for me, guys. Don't come for me. But a great tote bag is absolutely amazing. A tote bag, you know, is very functional. You'll usually find like all my stuff in my tote bag. You'll find like, you know, my power bank. You find everything. My daily essentials, they'll always be in my tote bag. And I have a couple of videos showing you guys how to make a tote bag. In fact, I have one video where I show you how to make a personalized tote bag. So a personalized tote bag has an extra touch that just makes all the difference in the world. So if that's what you're, you know, if you're looking to give people something, that is always a great idea. You can always make a personalized tote bag for them. They would appreciate it. And like I said, I'm going to put the videos that I've made in the iCards above and in the description box below. So check it out. Let me know what you think and get sewing. I promise you, between, you know, making them headbands, making them aprons and oven meetings, making them a quilted blanket, throw pillow and tote bags, your family will be in love with you, right? Because they'll know these gifts were made with love. Now, if you're looking to spend a little bit of money to get some quality gift, a great and fantastic idea will be to get some jewelry from Ana Luisa. So, speaking of personalized item, I am wearing a necklace with the initial letter A, and it is from Ana Luisa. I absolutely love it. And I'm also wearing another necklace from them. I'm wearing my earrings, the Tote Silver Hug. They're like hug earrings. They're like hoops, but like really tiny. I love them. They're my everyday pair. I wear them every single day. And they're from Ana Luisa. So like I said, if you're looking to spend a little bit of money to get quality and affordable jewelry, Ana Luisa is having one of their biggest sales to date, and it is 30. You're getting up to 30% off, right? I've also got a code I'm going to put in the description box, like a link. So make sure you use that link. Make sure you go to their website, run and, you know, and go ahead and start shopping, because that makes for a great Thanksgiving gift. If you're going to give someone something for Thanksgiving, it's not too late. Or if you're going to give someone something for Christmas, you know, you could do like a tote bag and a nice Ana Luisa pair of earrings or a necklace or something. If you're looking to spend money, definitely, you know, go to Ana Luisa. I promise you, it'll be money well spent, because you get nice jewelry, you get affordable jewelry, you get quality jewelry, guys. Quality. Like I said, I've worn these earrings every day in the last 1 month, and it has not tarnished. So if you're looking for non-tarnished affordable jewelry, that's always a great idea. And like I said, if you're, you know, looking not to spend so much money after making all the items that I've said, a jewelry is always a nice touch as well to add to the package that you're gifting the person. And good thing is, the ship worldwide. The shipping in the US is absolutely free of charge, but obviously if they're shipping to like the UK and other countries, it is absolutely affordable and very fast. I think I got my items within a day or two of them being dispatched, and that is phenomenal if you ask me. So yes, get sewing, go ahead and make the items, order your jewelry, wrap it up, right, and send it. If one of you decide to send me a nice tote bag that you've made and you slip in a pair of Ana Luisa necklace or bracelet, I'll be so grateful. But make sure you use my code when you're buying the bracelet, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. And like I said, don't forget to go to their website to shop. Don't forget to use the link in the description box, as well as the link that I might put on the screen as well. It's going to be the same link, so don't forget to use it, and don't miss out on the opportunity to shop this sale, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. And of course, when you make projects, tag me in your projects. Have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.